What up, gang? I'm back with another video. I say I'm back with another video. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Yes, I said subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. It's free. Do it for me. What up, gang? I'm back with another video. Let's get straight into it, man. If y'all haven't seen my last video, I spoke on this situation. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen, man. You gotta go see it, bro, because it's like everything that I said, this shit is coming to life. I told y'all this shit is like a movie. Like we watching the episode. It get janky and janky and janky by the moment, gang. It's just like chaos at its best. It's always one thing or the other. And even Young Thug lawyer spoke out and told the courts and told the judge he think the court is trying to sabotage the case on purpose. It's causing chaos on purpose, gang. I'm talking about you got YSL lawyers getting caught in contempt for not buying lunch for everybody, getting caught in contempt because the judge want them to write a 20-page letter on how important the trial is. Like, what is really going on, man? What is going on? You had one lawyer was in contempt because he owed the judge $45. Like, what is going on? Now we have one of YSL lawyers arrested and charged with trying to bring prescription drugs into the courthouse, and it wasn't in his right container. And they charged him with assault because they say he hit the arresting police officer with his cell phone. Y'all check it out.
All right, councilors, good morning. Could everybody please be seated? Let me take up a couple of housekeeping matters to begin with. The first one being, it has been brought to the court's attention that Mr. Menendez has been taken into custody this morning. And I'll let that process kind of play out.
Now at noon, a defense attorney with the YSL RICO case has been arrested. Officials say attorney Astasios Menendez was arrested this morning in the Fulton County courtroom. This is video of when we spoke to him earlier this month. We're told he's facing several charges, including simple battery on a law enforcement officer, obstruction, and disruption of court proceedings. This comes less than 24 hours after chaos in the courtroom brought a hearing in the case to a temporary stop yesterday afternoon.
And that's not it. A YSL member had to be carried out of the courtroom, man. And later we heard screaming and yelling in one of the back rooms, man. Like, what is going on? I'm finna give y'all a recap of everything that done happened that's so janky since the YSL trial began. Check it out.
You don't have seats, you'll be in the back.
You can hear the calls for calm and a few bleeps in there too, as several people were heard screaming at each other. This prompted the judge overseeing the hearing to clear the courtroom. At least 3 people were seen being handcuffed and escorted out by sheriff's deputies. Wednesday's hearing was eventually able to pick back up. These are the latest incidents to grab headlines from this case against more than a dozen defendants standing trial, including Atlanta rapper Young Thug. Just last month, an attorney for one of those defendants asked to withdraw her representation over pay that she called an egregiously low amount for the amount of work and attention this trial requires. Back in January, Young Thug and a fellow defendant were accused of distributing drugs in a hand-to-hand trade in the courtroom. That trial is now entering its 4th month and it's just still in jury duty phase, jury selection. And attorneys predict that this process could continue through the summer.
What y'all think, gang? A lot of people don't believe that these events is actually really happening. A lot of people, and I've been seeing in the comments, people think it's a hoax. They say, man, these people is running a play on us. There's no way these events that's been taking place in court is really going on in this YSL case for it to be so serious of a case. A lot of people believe that a lot of this stuff is staged, man. And that gotta tell you, it's some crazy shit going on for people to believe that this shit is staged, man. But But y'all get in the comments and tell me what you think, man. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on them post notifications. It's free. Do it for me, gang.
All right, State. Given where we are and where we find ourselves, do you have any other witnesses that would be appropriate to handle Mr. Sharp's matter, or any other things we have planned for today?
Yes, Your Honor. The 3 witnesses are still available. The 3 witnesses are still available to handle the rest of our 16th motion, which deals with Mr. Stillwell.
Is that correct, Mr. Sharp?
Yes, may I ask just one clarification, because I couldn't quite understand the court. Did you say that Mr. Farley is severed from the case for these motions, correct?
Mr. Farley's been severed. I mean, he'll go on with the other folks that I have for trial.
Okay, thank you.
Okay? All right.
Hey, do me a favor. Look down right there to the bottom left and hit that like button for me. Hit that like button right there. I appreciate it. Now continue watching. Promo alert. If you need promo, DM me on Instagram at music101CEO. Music101CEO. $30 for 1 promo video on YouTube. $50 for 3 promo videos on YouTube. $70 for 6 promo videos on YouTube, and $130 for 12 promo videos on YouTube. You trying to get your numbers up? You trying to get your business up? Hit me up at Music101. See, the results is great.